y'all, so don't mind all these colors in my background. I'm getting rid of some things, so that's why they're there. Just don't mind it. But yeah, we're gonna start out going in with our brow pomade from Makeup Revolution and my e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer in deep chestnut, and I just used this to do my brows. I didn't do my brows on camera because they take so long, but I'm gonna take some Maybelline concealer in the shade Caramel and put it all over my eyelids to use as a primer base for my eyeshadows, and then I'm going to use a brush to blend that out. As you can see, I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Constellation palette and using the shade Universal, and I'm going to use that in my crease. Now I'm going to hop into my Makeup Revolution Reloaded Iconic Vitality palette, and I'm going to take this brown shade and go on top of the brown shade that I was already using in the last clip, and I'm just using this to like make that brown more chocolatey. That was more of like a purplish brown. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm using this brown to make it more of like a chocolate brown. Now I'm going to take that black shade in the same Vitality palette and put that on top of the brown just to darken it up a bit. I'm going in with this reddish brown kind of, and using that to buff out my crease colors. And I love this brown. It is I use it like as a transition color in a lot of my looks. It is very well loved, and Makeup Revolution almost has this color brown in almost all of their palettes. It's amazing. It's just amazing. I love it. I love it. But yeah, I'm just using that to blend out the browns that we use. Now I'm hopping into my Makeup Revolution Sulfate Extra Spice palette and taking that orange shade and using that to blend out even further. Now I'm just taking a e.l.f. small blending brush and just using that to blend everything together and make it look seamless. I love this brush. It just brings everything together when I use it. That's the only reason I do use it. And just a random smile for you. I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Concealer and Divine Concealer in the shade C1 and using this to cut my crease. I like to put it on and then roll my eyes up, and that'll tell me where I need to start cutting my crease. Okay, I'm gonna come get it Saturday.
Okay, all right.
All right.
All right, you take it easy now.
You too.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. It's kind of annoying when I'm doing my makeup because my left eye is bigger than my right eye, so it always looks like it's more makeup on that side than it is on the other side. But I'm taking my NYX glitter primer and putting it all over where we cut our crease. And this, I like to do this when I'm using pigments or shimmers, because I don't know, I just feel like it makes it pop more and they stick on better than if you just put it on the base. But you have to let it dry down though. You have to let that glitter primer dry down. I'm taking this orange pigment from myomakeup. I love their pigments, but I'm sorry you guys, you're just gonna have to like watch, because some seconds I'm in frame, some seconds I'm not in frame, and I am so very sorry. In the next clip, you're gonna see me take the red pigment and put it on top of that orange pigment, and I'm still gonna be out of frame. Like I said, I'm very sorry about that, but I mean, you get the picture. You get what's going on. I'm taking my NYX Matte Liquid Liner and using that to make just like a, not, it's not going to be a whole wing, it's just going to be like almost a wing. I don't like doing wings because I suck at them. I'm going to practice more so I can like do them, but it's because my eyes are wonky. They're like, one of them is longer than the other, one of them have more folds than the other. It's just, oh, it's so annoying. It's so annoying. I lost the footage of me putting the orange neon pigment in my waterline, but that's what I did. And now I'm just taking those black and brown shades from earlier and blending them out under my eye, you guys. And that's going to be the end of the video. I just did an eye look for this one. And I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see y'all in my next one.
So I finished the rest of my face off camera, and I was on Facebook Live when I did it. So I'm gonna start going live more on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, then follow me on Instagram. And if you like being on Facebook, I have a Facebook page called Maggie's Corner. I will have it down in the description box, and I have my Instagram link down in the description box so y'all can follow me. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss none of my videos, because why would you want to miss my videos? But thank you for watching, and I'll catch y'all in my next one.